Wanna look cute but also little edgy? Let's create this EGirlMakeup look. Hi everyone, I'm Anzeei and welcome back to my channel. I do makeup, skincare and all things pretty, so if that's your vibe, do subscribe. I have already prepped my skin, so I'm starting with the e.l.f. foundation. EGirlMakeup focuses more on eyes and blush than the heavy foundation. Just feel free to use whatever you are comfortable with. Next is concealer. I'm applying it under my eyes and around my mouth to brighten and even everything out. You can also spot conceal any blemishes or acne marks if you like. Once everything is blended, it's time to set. If you have oily skin, you can set a bit more. If you prefer that dewy, fresh finish, keep it light. Now for the blush. EGirlMakeup is all about heavy blush. I'm applying it on my cheeks, swiping it from the outer corner of my eyes and right across the nose tip and a little bit on the lips too, for that super cute flush, almost animal inspired makeup look. Next, grab a small brush and start contouring the nose. But instead of following your natural shape, we are focusing on creating that little cute button nose. Start at the tip and blend it upwards and soften the line for the subtle definition. Highlight the nose tip and the inner corners of the eyes. This step is so important for that wide eye bright look. And also don't skip white eyeliner pencil on the lower waterline. I don't have it, so I'm skipping it. Now for the brows. EGirl brows are dark, fluffy, bold but still soft. I'm following my natural brow shape, just defining and setting them. For the signature eyeliner, I'm using an angled brush and eyeshadow to map out everything first. Starting from the lower lash line, I drag it outward, then connect it to the center of the upper lash line. Using a small brush, I sharpen the edges and fill in. This is a great tip if you're struggling with eyeliner, but you can totally use liquid liner if you're confident with it. For the doll-like effect, I'm drawing a little fake bottom lashes right under my natural lashes. It makes the eyes look bigger, more dramatic in the cutest way. Those big fluffy lashes are perfect for EGirl vibe. I'm adding a little blush to my cupid's bow for that soft, youthful touch. Then lining my lips with a brown lip liner and blending it out for that natural rosy lips. And that's the final look. Super cute, a little edgy and totally EGirl. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more video like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.